Hey, keep an eye on the left.
What's that? What?
You have my mag? The black one. He said that one doesn't work.
Ethan, what's your pause over? You got Gavin peeking the hill.
That mag's like my actual mag.
Hey, support these guys, Jack. Jack, support these guys. There's 3 of them moving up on the right side. We got 1 friendly on the bottom.
Yo, Brown.
Yeah. No shit. Fuck yeah. Whoa, that was close. Huh?
I don't think they got range.
No, they really don't. Why are they not flanking?
We're still wondering why they're not spawning at the other side.
I mean, I would have flanked us by now.
Huh? I saw that shit. I saw one of them.
I guess me and Gavin are just gonna duel this out.
Once again, just so you know, you have a mag that is sitting on the inside
Yep.
of the compound.
I know. Thank you.
That was you. Something popped on you.
What?
Something popped on you. Do you have anything CO2 or grenade type?
I don't know what the.
It did. It did that.
I don't know what the fuck it did. Ugh. It's still ours. They're trying to push hard, but they can't make it. You got a guy moving up left! Yeah, I could use some support though on the right side.
I got him. Hey, you gonna come back?
I think I got hit.
Never mind, no